I'm Valentin Blatner from Switzerland. We are working with the varieties from the Penedès. In this case it's Xarel·lo, Parellada, Grenache, the Spanish varieties, introducing the resistant genetic by breeding. So we make crossbreeding. We pollinate the flowers with a resistant variety and plant them out, the seeds, and every seed is a new variety which we are hoping to get the resistant and the good quality, and also the ones which survive the drought much better than the classic varieties. So the future will be much easier in the vineyard. You don't have to run into the vineyard with the tractor all the time. So you don't compact the soil, you don't have to open the soil all the time again. The main thing is making clean and quality-wise super wines without spraying.